Okay, so a lot of you guys are asking if I'm actually 6'3". No, I am not actually 6'3", guys. The tape measure says 63.5 inches, which is about 5'3". I gained about 3 inches off this ebook, and I had a couple of friends try it out with me, 4 of them, and 3 of them experienced some height growth. So it's a really good ratio, 75%, 80% if you include me. I mean, that's really good for a product. It's awesome. It's a great way. Well, it basically focuses on how you can gain a few inches in just a couple of weeks time. So that's really nice. Is if you have some big event coming up, you can do it and suddenly be quite a few inches taller. So just make sure no one you know is going to be there, because then they're going to be like, oh my god, what happened, you know. But it's really cool. It's written by professional writers. They basically just transcribed what these experienced medical professionals said about it, and these the professionals, the medical professionals, not the writers, they actually work in height enhancement products, so they really do know what they're talking about, and it's just a really good ebook, and learned a lot from it. Obviously worked for me, and like I said, an 80% success ratio, that's really good. So it's called Grow Taller for Idiots. I'll post a link to it below if you're interested. Definitely check it out. It's worked really well for me.